you clean your lenses with and stuff, and how often do you do that?
My shirt.
That's Homer's.
Like,
You're like,
every hour or so.
Specialty shirt, lens cleaning shirt. Every hour or so, you said?
Never going back to play. Remember how you used to treat me? I ain't gonna play like that. And darling, you can keep me. We started classic, we in the traffic. You wore me down. All the tension, no small offenses. You want me
Alright, so this is just the appetizers. Looks yummy.
They have plates over there. Oh, okay. Am I having a hard time yet?
I will eat.
So what is that? That's the
Crab stuffed mushroom.
oh, crab stuffed mushrooms. That looks yummy.
Save that for seat.
So this is the spinach artichoke dip, and then we have a pretzel with cheese all over it. That looks so good.
Pretzel? No pretzel for you?
Thank you.
Pretzel.
I like you want
Oh, it's a soft pretzel. That's yummy.
Right?
Oh my god, that's really good.
I like the cheese because it's runny.
It is. It's nice.
Look, it's nice.
How's the pretzel, sir?
I'll tell you.
Isn't that good? Yeah. The queso's good?
Oh, yeah.
Cheese isn't as good as the beer cheese and mellow
Oh,
mushroom.
I love beer cheese.
That beer cheese and mellow mushroom is
Yeah, that is really good.
the
I've had
best
that.
cheese I've ever had.
So we're gonna try the artichoke dip.
I got a cow
That's delicious. How was the artichoke dip?
Good.
Yum.
Is it yum?
The mushrooms are yummer.
Oh, you're having the mushroom.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
Dawn with him? Yeah. No, I mean, I'm a bit of a foodie and I haven't had a bad.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Thank you, Nick.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Mine's
To me,
it's done.
all of it
Salute.
together.
Thank you.
This is just me. I'm making dinner tonight.
Cheers to Nomad friends.
Thank you, Mick.
This is just me making dinner tonight.
Spicy.
Evo, you told me to eat spicy food. You know I hate spicy food. No salsa.
My sexy face.
Is it good or have you ever had it?
I haven't tasted
That looks
it.
yummy.
You can try it. Looks like a spring mix.
Oh yeah, it does look like a spring mix.
It's beautiful. Look at it. It's very good. And the ranch is like homemade. So
Oh, so is it delicious?
it's delicious. You should get a salad.
She's kind of tricky.
Huh? No. Yeah, do you want that piece of squash?
Did you see the lemon? Is
No,
it lemon
yeah, it's actually lemon. It's not squash.
It's lemon squash.
So look at how much sugar.
Watching you.
That's mixed.
Yeah, that Mick had to put in his tea.
Here's mine.
You just used one?
Yeah.
Watching you right now.
Okay.
Yeah, shake that head, sir. Shake it. That was not very sexy, lady, but we'll go with it. How was that?
It's so good, girl.
That looks amazing.
Can I try it?
Yes, you sure can.
My germs.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, lady.
Thank
You tried the best part.
I'm gonna film you taking the head off the top.
Oh, here. Wait, there you go.
What is that?
Okay, get it, girl. There you go.
Let go of my head. I know what I'm doing.
Down the hatch.
She took it from the top and now she's getting it from the bottom.
Pretty good.
Milkshake.
Thank you.
I think heavy on the peach. It still tastes like a drink.
It's still, because it's pureed peach. Yeah, so.
Is that the peach creamsicle?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I knew that would be good.
I was thinking it was going to be kind of too peachy because it's
not.
Yeah, because they said they said they used that because there was the peach in it and then the
Peach
peach
schnapps?
yeah, and then the peach puree and
Oh.
yeah. So I thought it'd be too peachy.
Oh, there's real peaches in it.
Yeah.
That's probably why it doesn't taste have that fake peach flavor. I hate that flavor. Like when they have it in candies and stuff. Why would they call that ice cream?
I don't know. Because it is a creamsicle. Go for it.
It's a dreamsicle with peach in it.
Yeah.
Malibu peaches and cream rum.
Yeah. You don't like it?
Thank you.
Stick to your dark beer, girl.
Tar beer.
Your tar beer.
What did I just eat? That was so
Dark
good and
rum,
sweet.
cousins,
It's
ginger
like a fruit. Weird. Did you have any fruit on
for
your
the
plate?
Cheetos
I wonder what
meal.
was in the salad that's fruity. It was very good.
Bitters, French mint.
What are you doing, ma'am?
I'm videoing you.
Oh.
I can't see you because you're videoing me.
Oh, yeah, here. I'll do it like this. How's that?
And Dana and Steve and Aubrey. He's 75 seconds. Hello there. Hello, dearie. And Danny. And Danny is looking
That's all right.
What is that?
It's a mudslide.
Oh, mudslide. Is that?
Cherry.
Is it an alcoholic drink or? Oh, it is. What's it? Wait, where'd it go? I turned around for a second. Look at. Why do you keep on eating all the whipped cream, lady? So what's in that? What's in the mudslide?
Oh, Kahlua.
I have to double check. I'm not sure what they put.
That looks amazing.
It's got rum.
Everything has rum.
You forgot the fat cheese in Florida.
How is it? Is it good?
Hits you like a ton of bricks. It's good.
Is it very chocolatey?
No, it's very rummy.
Oh. Wow, it must be good. He's really getting that.
That was terrible.
Popped the cherry and ate the cream.
Them on the beach.
Take the cherry, Aja.
That's strong.
Yeah.
Take
Them
the
drinking
cherry,
them on
Aja, and tie the
hot beach.
stem with your tongue.
Who's driving my van?
Aja, take the cherry and tie the stem with your tongue.
I'm not that good.
D. I almost said that.
Who wants my cherry?
Who?
I never got that. It's supposed to be bunny rabbit ears or devil's
They're bunny rabbit. They're bunny
bunny
ears.
rabbit or devil horns?
No, they're bunny ears when you do that behind somebody.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's not a devil horn.
No, yeah. No, those are bunny ears.
They're bunny ears.
Oh my god, and we haven't even gotten our food yet. Ugh.
For good luck for
That
the
appetizers made me full. How was cutting that football?
No deflate gate here.
Here, try this ham.
What is it?
It's ham. It's that ham that you were asking about.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's really good.
I got the one with everything in it.
Oh, that is really good.
Really peppery.
Look how big hers is.
I know.
It's leaking spinach.
What's the look on your face?
Yeah, it's like a.
Oh, it is leaking spinach. That looks weird.
It's alien. Poke it in the stomach.
Do that look again, like
Looks like a seal just laying there.
A baby seal club it to death.
I know.
You guys need anything else? Are we all set for now?
I think we're good.
I want a drink.
Perfect. What do I want?
You want a drink over here, though?
Another drink?
What do you want?
I don't want another one of these. I want a different one.
Try that
Do you like the dark
Tito's.
beer? We have a Brother Dewey's date
No,
night.
I want a French kiss.
French kiss?
That sounds a little kinky. Thank you for sharing that with us. Thank you very much.
Action costs extra.
Oh, my pizza looks so delicious.
It's called Cajun something. It's He got the shrimp and the shrimp.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. That looked different.
Just got pepperoni and pineapple. So how was yours?
It's good. Very
Is
good.
it?
Yeah, I won't eat. I'm not going to
Very, very good.
I'll give you the rest probably. Start from the middle.
I'm gonna need you to keep it in your mouth though, sir.
I like the shrimp. I was craving some shrimp.
So this is considered a personal pizza and it's huge. I didn't know it was this big. It's good though. Pepperoni and pineapple.
But he was trying to work his way through college. Creamy
That's so
drinks.
pretty. Can I try your French kiss?
That's a lot of food.
Can I try your French kiss?
Not before I.
Yeah, because you know she'll eat all the whipped cream up. Wait, it's all over your face, lady.
She got a French kiss in her lap.
Oh, did you?
Oh, good thing your napkin was covering.
Ooh, that looks good. You got fruit instead of fries.
Pineapple.
What'd you get? Oh, you got the bad stuff. You got French fries, didn't you?
They're good, not bad.
Are you full there, sir?
I am almost full.
What did you get? You barely touched it.
Fettuccine Alfredo and shrimp.
Oh.
And
Oh, so there's like a bunch of different hams in there?
Oh yeah.
Did you like that? Tastes like pork chop.
Looks good. Why do I feel like I got grease on my face? I got grease on my face?
Freeze.
Nobody told me I got grease on my face?
It's dripping down.
I know. It's like so juicy.
So juicy. Some pepperoni.
Come on, hurry up and kiss now.
She did it off on purpose. Did you see that? She didn't want to get
Come on, swap it. Swap spin.
Aww. I want to see that. Go ahead. Y'all chew on the end of the calzones. Go
I
ahead.
just eat one of your olives.
No, you got to put one calzone in your mouth and the other in your mouth.
Hold it in the middle so it doesn't sag. What?
Ew, that did not sound like that.
I don't know, these shrimp are so amazing.
Look, leftovers. Yummy.
I'm not even done eating. What? You guys have a good night. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you, Dana.
Thank you. Thank you, Meg.
Yep.
Thank you, Mick. You're amazing. No, I can never see you videotaping. That's why I asked.
I can't read that.
I can't read that.
I can't read it.
Well, then you need to get some glass.
And off they go into the darkness. Bye, fellow travelers. See ya.
Oh, it's cold.
Now let's get it.
No, it's not like the other nights. My God.